Hi everyone, welcome back Tech Vibe. Is your TCL Roku TV refusing to connect to WiFi? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through simple and effective solutions to get your Roku TV back online in no time. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share a pro tip that solves this issue for most users. Step 1. Restart your TV and router. The first and easiest fix is restarting both your TCL Roku TV and your Wi-Fi router. Many times, a quick restart clears temporary glitches and allows the devices to reconnect properly. Unplug your TV and router, wait for at least 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Step 2. Check network settings on Roku. If restarting didn't work, it's time to check your Roku's network settings. Go to Settings greater than Network greater than Setup Connection. Choose wireless and select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the correct password. If you see a strong signal, you're good to go. But if the signal is weak, consider moving your router closer to the TV. Step 3. Update Roku software. Sometimes outdated software is the culprit. To update, go to Settings greater than System Update. Select Check Now. If an update is available, install it. This ensures your Roku TV stays compatible with the latest network protocols. Step 4. Factory reset. If nothing else works, try a factory reset. Go to Settings greater than System greater than Advanced System Settings greater than Factory Reset. Enter the code on screen and confirm. This will erase all settings but often fixes deep software issues. That's it. These steps usually fix the TCL Roku TV not connecting to WiFi problem. If your issue continues, it might be a hardware issue and you'll need professional repair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so others can fix their Roku TV too.